slogans. There is no any right-thinking person that will find any mistake or anything against Ngozi Onabeze in that very slogan she made yesterday.
Exactly.
There's no right-thinking person.
Exactly.
This is a private conversation for God's sake. You see, and like I said, I've become totally from her because I can't be. You don't watch my brain. I'm not a kid, like I said. I'm not a baby. You see, this is the freedom we are fighting. Instead of to fight for the freedom we are looking for, it's one blackmail to another blackmail, one lie to another lie, twisting words to twisting words all the time. Somebody will say A, you will twist it to become B, and you want me to believe that your B is the correct one?
My brother.
No, we don't get freedom like this, okay? So, please, my brother, keep on doing the good work you're doing, okay? Our brother said this morning, Humble Lion, one of the programs he did this morning, which I just watched, he mentioned somebody like Mazi H0t. Okay. To be very honest, what Humble Lion said is truth. And what if other Roman is doing program, I'm watching, and I'm just reading comments. Every other person doing program, I'm watching, reading comments. H0t, I'm no more seeing his comments, like Lion Man. So where is he? Maybe our sister have also put him in the state of confusion. That he decided that made him to decide, to sit on the fence and watch what is going on. You see? So by what you are doing, you are indirectly, but what she's doing, she's indirectly discouraging people, discouraging this struggle,
100%.
discouraging people who are willingly to come out for this struggle, indirectly discouraging from many people. Because I don't know why his name calling should be a part of agitating for freedom fighting.
That is it.
I don't know why.
That is it. All right. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to.
Thank you for your program.
I am so happy to have you on this program. I'm so happy to have you on this program. God bless you. Just be who you are. Just be who you are. See you again.
Yeah, all right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Please, I have only one call to answer. Okay, before just bear with me because my time is up, to be honest with you. Don't be angry. I have to. Please don't be angry, okay? Don't be angry. My time is very slim. Have a limited time. Let me just call this person back because he called before and I promised to call him back before. He's gonna be the last caller. Please subscribe so that whenever we are live, you will participate, okay? I'm sorry for not answering your call. It's not an insult. Please, I hope I have not offended you. Hello? Yeah, my brother.
Yeah, I'm happy that he called that my brother Emeka Ghana.
Yes, that's why.
God bless you.
That's why.
Yes, God bless. Emeka Ghana have said a lot of things, but I want to really say something here.
Okay.
There is a statement you made. You see, in this agitation, let me tell you, if anybody sabotage this as agitation, honestly speaking, the person had the whole over 80 million Biafra.
Gospel
it's
truth.
Not about. That is the gospel truth.
Gospel truth.
And I'm telling you that if anybody, as Adadio Rama is doing today, to be frank with you, Adadio Rama is the worst. In fact, Ogenkere, Sonia Parawa, they're better than Adadio Rama. They're better than Adadio Rama. One is Soja, not France. One is Soja is a demon.